the subject of prosthodontics. So basically prosthodontics, the questions mostly will be conceptual based questions. So you don't actually need to buy out the definitions or something like that. But then for prosthodontics, you need to know the concept. Like what happens if this goes wrong? What happens if the denture fabrication goes wrong? Or if the denture is behaving in this way, then which step of the denture fabrication went wrong? Such questions mostly will be asked from the subject of prosthodontics. So coming to tomorrow's topic, that is, it is on complete denture, that is introduction to complete denture, impression procedures, border molding and posterior palatal seal. So I guess most of you have done these procedures on the patient, so you might be knowing what is what. So I just want this session to be interactive. You can either chat or you can unmute yourselves and answer too. Okay, and then since your briefing of dental materials is also done, I'll be asking questions regarding dental materials also. Okay, cool. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start it. Okay. So coming to introduction, complete denture prosthodontics is defined as the replacement of the natural teeth in the arch and the associated parts by artificial substitutes. So as the word indicates, complete, so entire maxillary and mandibular, the teeth are replaced. So this is complete denture, you can see. So the functions of complete denture are aesthetics. So first thing, whenever tooth is lost, the patient doesn't feel good about it. So to improve his aesthetics, and especially people below 50 years of age, it is a very prime concern for aesthetics. Then coming to mastication, everyone needs teeth for mastication, so complete denture will restore the masticatory function. Coming to phonetics, so do you guys know the what kind of phonetics, how many kinds of phonetics will be there? How many kinds of sounds do we make? Anyone? So there's 6 basic types of sounds. Do you know that? I guess everyone has no, everyone knows the Varnamala, like kakagagana, tatadadana.
Yes, ma'am.
So every line of that Varnamala is a phonetic sound. So basically, coming to the dental significance of that, so basically we have something called as um, uh, den- dental sounds, bilabial sounds. All of these require your teeth. So these dentures help for phonetics also. So coming to component parts of complete denture, so surfaces of complete denture, there are 3 major surfaces. One is the impression surface, that is the surface which is recorded by the impression. Okay, this is the impression surface. Also coming to the parts, it would be called the denture base. Then second one is polished surface. Polished surface is all other surfaces apart from the occluding surfaces. Occluding surfaces are the teeth and the occlusion of the teeth. So the polished surfaces are those like the palatal surface, the buccal or the buccal flange, lingual flange, palatal surface. All these are the polished surfaces. So now what is this surface? Anyone? The one marked with the red line. What is this surface?
Polished surface.
Yes, good. And what is this surface?
Tissue surface.
Impre- Impression
Impression
surface.
surface, also
Impression
called
surface.
as tissue or intaglio surface. And what is this surface?
Occlusal surface.
Yes, cool. Then coming to various parts of complete denture, we have denture base. So this pink color one is the denture base. Then we have dental flanges. So it is a part of the denture base. So whatever is extending into the vestibules are called dental flanges. Then denture border. This is the border of the denture. Okay. Then the denture teeth. These are the teeth. Okay. Next. Coming to denture base, it is that part of the denture that rests on the oral mucosa to which the teeth are attached. Okay, so the denture base, it will rest on the oral mucosa. So this part is the denture base part. It will rest on the oral mucosa. Okay, so it is usually made of acrylic resin. So in some cases, metal denture bases are also prepared. Now you guys tell me what would be the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. Let's go start with acrylic. What is the advantage of acrylic resin? See the denture and tell me what could be the advantage of acrylic resin.
Aesthetics and light in weight.
Okay, light in weight and aesthetics. Yeah, acrylic is pink in color, so it will match the oral mucosal color. So it will be more pleasing in aesthetically also. Okay. Another advantage, anyone? Acrylic resins. Anyone?
Easy to fabricate.
Yes, cool. Easy to fabricate. You just need a polymer and a monomer. So you can mix them both in proper proportions and then you can fabricate. Now, the question, dental material question. What is the ratio of polymer to monomer?
3:1.
1.
Good. If what happens if monomer is in excess?
Porosity. Shrinkage.
Yeah, shrinkage and porosity. Yeah. And what happens to the patient if the monomer is excess?
Irritation.
Allergy.
Good. Now, what could be the disadvantages now of acrylic resin?
Color discoloration.
Yes. And
Weaker than metal. Can easily break.
yes. One more thing.
Attrition. Abrasion.
That is regarding the teeth. We are talking about denture base. So, as you already told, it will irritate the tissues. Okay. Now, what would be the advantage of metal denture base now?
Stimulus. Stimulus to heat.
Yes, metal, it conducts electricity and heat. So whatever we take orally, so the perceptivity of the heat, like the substances heat or cool, that can be differentiated when used metal denture bases. Another one, another advantage of metal denture base, compare
Span
with
of
acrylic. Sorry,
Strength.
any advantage?
Strength.
Yes, strength is an advantage. So these are not so fragile, they are very strong, not easy to break. Another advantage, in terms of strength only, you can frame another sentence for both acrylic denture bases and metal denture bases. Anyone? Yeah. So basically, the metal denture bases can be made very thin. So when the metal denture bases are made very thin, the patient won't have a feeling that something is kept in his mouth. Okay, same thing we cannot do with acrylic resin, because if acrylic resin is made thin, it will have higher chances of breakage or fracture of the denture. So we cannot make it very thin. So it has to have certain amount of thickness for acrylic resins. That certain amount of thickness will irritate the oral tissues and will give a feeling to a patient that something is kept in his mouth. Okay. Now, coming to disadvantages of metal denture bases, the primary disadvantage would be anyone disadvantages of metal denture bases?
relining and rebasing would be difficult.
Aesthetics, good. Relining and rebasing is difficult, good. Next,
Weight.
any more?
Restoration of normal tissue and not be
Any more? with metal denture bases. Weight won't be a problem because the denture bases are made very thin. But then, yeah, coming to resistance for maxillary denture, mostly could be a problem. Because of the gravitational force, it's hard to maintain. And main thing for metal denture bases is the acrylic and metal, whatever we do here, that won't be strong enough. So there are greater chances that the longevity won't be much enough. Okay, so the denture base forms the foundation of the denture. It helps distribute and transmit all the forces acting on the denture teeth to the basal tissues. Okay, it has maximum influence on the health of the oral tissues. So, in what way does the denture base influence the health of the oral tissues? Okay, so whenever there are abnormal forces, yeah. So whenever there are abnormal forces that are delivered along the teeth, so these denture bases will deliver those forces directly to the ridges, whatever the basal tissue that is underlying there. So that will cause irritation and it will also rapid the bone resorption. Okay, that could that is how the denture bases influence the health of the oral tissues. Then it is a part of denture which is responsible for retention and support. Okay, so the retention and support mostly are taken from the basal tissues. So the denture bases, since it is in contact with the basal tissues, it is most important for retention and support.